Alright, what's poppin'? It's the boy, Hand of Henry, aka Hit Up Henry, aka Henry Heck. And I just got a package in from the boy himself over at the Gundam Play Store. It's a um, Gundam kit store that just opened up like a couple months ago in Alpharetta. I put the details in the description. Cool dude, man. So I had to cop something from the local cat. You feel me? From the local cat. And even though I live like an hour and a half, hour, 20 minutes, something like that away from the store itself, to me it's still local because I caught my stuff from USA Gundam Store, and that's down in Florida. And there's some good folk over there. Um, I haven't had a bad experience with them. I ain't got nothing bad to say about them. Some cool cats, but I just really wanted to support a local Georgian. You feel me? In their ventures in the Gumpla. You feel me? So we gonna crack this thing open. I do like the branded packaging tapes. You feel me? Got his logo, which is a dope ass logo. Um, I'm gonna get one of these t-shirts, bro. I'm gonna get a t-shirt because that logo is legitimate. You feel me? All right, let's go ahead and bust this open for the 9/9/2000 courtesy of my opener number 8. You feel me? And also, if you're in the market for a knife, do yourself. I've had this knife for a minute. I have not. I probably had this knife for four years. No. I had for 5 years. Some of my buddies from high school recommended me to get this knife. I was in the market for a knife, and they said, "Hey man, check out it's a knife called Opener Number 8. You get on Amazon." It was like, I think it was like $10 or something, and wooden handle. I don't know if I talked about this knife before. I don't think I talked about this knife on this channel, but wooden handle. It's French. You feel me? Shout out to the French brothers and sisters. Got a little bit of stamp branding on there. They also said, "Hey man, just stick it in a potato for a couple weeks to get that age look on the blade." And I was cool on that. But I have not sharpened this knife, not once. I actually cut my finger. It almost. You might can kind of see it. Well, it won't focus. But I actually cut through the fingernail and everything trying to close it. But it's got like a little lock you turn in order for that situation. So, but anyway, I'm gonna bust this thing open. And yeah. Alright, so this is what we got when we bust it on. You feel me? We bust it on open. Okay. First and foremost, dope little sticker situation. I like this. Cool little sticker. You feel me? It's going on the table. For sure. Alright. Also, we got us what is this? Like a little Gunpla magazine situation, a little booklet, you feel me? A little booklet. Pardon my trash camera skills, you feel me? Got some. Okay. I cannot read in this language, but it's still something dope to have, though. It's interesting to have. Hold on. Okay. It's like a little card situation. Okay. It's fire. The Unicron. You feel me? The Unicron. Yeah, that's dope. It was something cool to have and I don't know, maybe put on the wall or something. Something litty with a titty. You feel me? Alright. First and foremost, we got the hold on, I'm gonna read it. Yeah, the Bill. Gonna from Iron Blooded Orphans. This is the one Mackie finessed his way into. You feel me? one thing now is be spoilers, so I'm not gonna speak on it. But anyway, this I was not planning on getting this at all. But he posted on his Instagram, and I was like, oh shit, you know. And then I hit him in the DMs and talked to hit him in the DMs about it. He was like, yeah, man, it's only like 3 more or whatever, blah blah. So you know what? Off of there only being 3 more, I had to. The suit itself, extra ill. Got the Gallahorn insignia on the shoulder. You feel me? I fuck with it. Dual blades. You know what I mean? I fuck with it heavily. Check it on out. Give it a little brief box tour, if you will. Keeping it brief with an F on it. It's BREEF. You feel me? Yeah. And this is of course the HG. IBO don't get too much love beyond that, to be honest. But well, it is what it is. It should be a cool little kit after just put together. You feel me? And la piece of resistance, my goodness gracious. We got RG Unicorn. You feel me? I know it's unicorn, but you know, yeah. A couple weeks ago, I had finished the HG. But shout out to the boy Rick. He said he synced one in my future, and lo, 'twas in my future. And hey, he put it on the Instagram. I said, okay, I got to go and get it. So I headed on over to his store, online store, because I wasn't gonna be able to make that drive. That day, I ordered these on a Sunday. Yeah, this past Sunday I ordered these situations. You know, a little brief box tour. You know, and I'm filming in here because I still got my Sinanju spread it out, you know, on my working table, and I didn't want to pack it up. But yeah, man. Gonna be a cool little guy writ her. I don't remember the prices off that. I'll just put them in the description. You feel me? So that you'll be able to know how much I spent on both of them. So yeah, man, that's the haul from the GUNDAM Play Store. I got two cool little guys. You feel me? The Sinanju be done, I want to say tomorrow night. Well, by tomorrow night, so that video will be up probably on Saturday, and then I'll get started on. I'm gonna do the unicorn first, and I'll get started on that, and that probably done by next Friday. And then this good guy right here go together probably sometime after. Of course, sometime after. And if not, if I don't immediately jump on it, I'll probably do like a giveaway or some situation for it, probably. But we'll see. Because I'm trying to maintain some momentum, because I had fell off for a couple weeks. We were doing a lot of work related stuff. But yeah, man, that's the from the GUNDAM Play Store. Packaging, okay, with the bubble. I'm saving these. I'm saving them good guys. You always gotta save in. You feel me? But yeah, man, dope little haul. Looking forward to putting this joint together, man. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. This being your boy.